Upon entering the operation interface, you will find the main menu, joystick button, and return button located on the top left. The part on the left side in the middle is the energy regulation module. The part on the right side in the middle is the heat regulation module. When adjusting energy and heat, the time displayed above will also change accordingly. Specifically, if energy is increased, the time will decrease. If heat is increased, the time will increase. Before we start, we need to choose the appropriate controller. S stands for medium-sized handle, P for large-sized handle, and F for small-sized handle. Select the handle, and the handle light will illuminate. Select the appropriate controller, click the button to start, and click the button below to initiate energy transmission. The lower left corner is for cooling adjustment. Click the button to start cooling. Upon clicking, a slider and numbers will appear. The upper number indicates the preset temperature, while the lower number represents the current temperature. Click the button on the controller to enter the selection interface. In this interface, you can select the site, fat depth, and energy range. When selecting body parts, they can be divided into 3 categories: face, body, and legs. After selecting the appropriate area, click the button to enter the operation interface. If you need to make a new selection, click the back button on the top left. Click on body parts, such as arms and abdomen. Click on the leg area to select between the thigh and calf. In the options on the left, the second button corresponds to fat depth. Under normal circumstances, we can choose 2 or 3. The third button on the left is for energy range output. After adjustment, the display pattern will also become larger accordingly. After selecting the appropriate area, fat depth, and energy range, we can click the button below to proceed with the upper body operation. Before starting the operation, we can adjust the values according to the table. Measure body dimensions before operation, and compare them later. You can apply the product to the operation site and spread it evenly with the handle. In terms of technique, the lifting technique or circular rotation technique is employed. The speed of sliding or rotating does not need to be excessively fast. But remember not to stay in the same place for too long or operate on the navel. In terms of time, the recommended duration for abdominal procedures is 40 minutes. During this period, parameters can be adjusted based on customer experience. After the abdominal operation is completed, measure the waist circumference again for comparison. When performing facial treatments, you can apply essence-based products to the face. In terms of technique, you can perform a lifting operation along the facial contour lines. Do not linger on the same spot for too long to avoid causing damage. In terms of operation time, it is recommended to allocate 30 minutes for facial operation. After completing the unilateral facial operation, we can take a photo for comparison between the left and right sides. Now, you have basically learned how to operate the Coolwave. Thank you for watching.